Most people want their car to last as long as possible. But the truth is, most drivers have no idea what to check or when to check it. They think if the engine starts and the tires aren't flat, everything's fine. But under the hood, problems are quietly building. Neglecting the small stuff can taps out your car before 150,000 miles. But in this video, I share the 10 secrets to make your car last over 600,000 miles without major repairs. Stick until the end, because the last trick can only make your car last over 200,000 miles. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Follow a religious maintenance schedule. If you treat your car like a set-it-and-forget-it appliance, it won't last long. Routine maintenance is like brushing your teeth. Skip it, and you're asking for trouble. Oil changes are your engine's lifeblood. If you forget or delay them, your engine slowly grinds itself into a scrap heap. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles to prevent uneven wear. Don't ignore your air filters, spark plugs, or timing belt. They all have expiration dates. Everything from your cooling system to your brakes depends on a maintenance rhythm. Stick to the service intervals in your owner's manual like gospel, and your car will reward you with years of smooth driving. Tip 2. Maintain the cooling system religiously. The engine cooling system regulates the temperature of the engine, preventing overheating and warping of internal components. Neglecting the cooling system can lead to catastrophic failures like blown head gaskets, cracked cylinder heads, or a seized engine. Coolant doesn't last forever. Over time, it loses its anti-corrosion and anti-boil properties. Flushing and replacing the coolant every 50,000 to 100,000 miles ensures that the system stays clean and efficient. You should also inspect the radiator, thermostat, hoses, and water pump regularly for leaks or signs of wear. Replacing these components before they fail is much cheaper than dealing with engine damage from overheating. A well-maintained cooling system is your engine's insurance against sudden and deadly heat-related damage. Tip 3. Warm up the engine before driving hard. When an engine is cold, oil is thick and hasn't yet circulated to all the moving parts, leaving critical components exposed to metal-on-metal contact. Driving hard or revving the engine before it reaches optimal operating temperature significantly increases internal wear, especially on the crankshaft, camshaft, and cylinder walls. In cold climates, this is even more critical, as oil becomes more viscous and takes longer to flow properly. Letting the engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds helps the oil circulate fully and start protecting all internal components. Tip 4. Stick to a strict oil change schedule. Regular oil changes are the single most important maintenance step for engine longevity. Oil lubricates the engine's moving parts, reducing friction and heat that would otherwise wear down the metal components. Over time, oil breaks down and collects contaminants like dirt, fuel residue, and metal particles, which can form harmful sludge. This sludge blocks oil passages and prevents proper lubrication, leading to accelerated engine wear. Always follow the manufacturer's recommended change interval, and never skip changing the oil filter during each oil change. It is usually recommended to change your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Tip 5. Use only high-quality fluids. Fluids are the lifeblood of your car, and using cheap ones is like eating junk food every day. It works for a while, but it wrecks you over time. Engine oil, coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, all of these need to meet or exceed your vehicle's specs. Cheap oil breaks down faster, leaves sludge behind, and won't protect your engine under heat and stress. Inferior coolant can cause rust in your radiator and heater core. Always go with brands your owner's manual recommends, or that meet OEM specs. A few extra bucks now can prevent thousands in repairs later. Tip 6. Protect the transmission at all costs. Your engine might get all the attention, but your transmission is just as critical. Treat it poorly, and your car is on borrowed time. Most people abuse it without knowing by shifting from reverse to drive too quickly or ignoring fluid changes. Transmission fluid degrades with heat and time. If it smells burnt or looks dark, it's overdue. Replacing the fluid and filter every 30,000 to 60,000 miles is insurance for your car's future. A new transmission can cost $3,000 to $5,000. But fluid change? Only around $200. Tip 7. Flush brake fluid every 2 to 3 years. Many drivers overlook brake fluid maintenance, but it's critical not just for safety. It also helps protect engine-related components like the brake booster, master cylinder, and ABS system. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air over time. This moisture lowers the boiling point of the fluid, making your brakes spongy and prone to fading under heavy use. But even more critically, that moisture can cause internal corrosion in metal components like calipers, ABS valves, and the master cylinder. Flushing the fluid every 2 to 3 years removes moisture and contaminants, ensures responsive braking, and keeps all hydraulic systems running efficiently. Tip 8. Keep the air and fuel filters clean. The air filter ensures that only clean air enters the engine, while the fuel filter keeps contaminants out of the fuel system. A clogged air filter restricts airflow, forcing the engine to work harder and burn more fuel to maintain performance. Over time, this can lead to carbon buildup on valves and combustion chamber surfaces, reducing efficiency and causing long-term damage. Similarly, a dirty fuel filter can reduce fuel pressure and starve the engine of proper fuel flow, making it run lean and potentially damaging the fuel pump and injectors. Replace the air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, and the fuel filter every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on your driving conditions. Clean filters help your engine breathe and run like new. Tip 9. Don't ignore the timing belt or chain. The timing belt or chain keeps the engine's valves and pistons moving in perfect harmony. If a timing belt snaps in an interference engine, the pistons will collide with the valves, causing immediate and severe internal damage. Timing belts usually need replacement every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on your vehicle. Chains last longer but require clean oil to stay lubricated and can stretch over time if oil changes are neglected. Tip 10. Fix minor leaks and noises immediately. Many drivers ignore small oil or coolant leaks, thinking they're harmless. But small problems often lead to big ones if left unchecked. A minor oil leak can become a fire hazard if it drips onto hot engine parts, and even small coolant leaks can cause the engine to overheat on long drives. Strange engine noises, such as ticking, knocking, or whistling, often indicate underlying issues like low oil pressure, bad lifters, or intake leaks. Ignoring them can result in permanent engine damage. Addressing these issues early can save you from a complete engine rebuild or replacement later. A proactive approach to even the smallest issue keeps your engine healthy for the long haul. That's it for this video. Look, making a car last over 600,000 miles isn't about being a car genius. It's about being consistent, paying attention, and treating your vehicle like the investment it is. See you in the next video.